to put on your gumboots at all time while coming inside here. Hello bestie, thank you so much. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Linda Solar Travels. Our passionate farmer is here on the ground, feeding time, and you can see how to make profit in a poultry farm. Guys, we are here to educate ourselves how to make money in a poultry farm. Making money in a poultry farm business, and how to make profit, huge profits in a poultry farm. We are even here to learn, to share our experiences, and as you can see, it's feeding time. I just want to show you what we are doing. Over there, our man is collecting the eggs. These are the sustainers of the farm, and we get daily coin. We're now collecting the eggs, and this is the profit you are getting on a daily basis, guys. That business that gives you profit on a daily basis. Wow, imekuja na moja. Weka huku juu. Makni. Let me go. Kota hizo, halafu uende nazo. Umechukua tray ingine, so chukua tray ingine hapa chini. Palinua. Let me help you. Daily coin, guys, from the farm. Poultry farm profits. Na leo wamezaa tu place moja. Pia zimerudi chini. Kwa 5. Beba vizuri wewe. Hey customer. Here guys, daily coin from this farm. And this is how we survive. Getting feeds on a daily basis. We are not going back to our pockets anymore. And if you want to make profit, reach at that point where you can now raise. You can now raise those layers and get eggs on a daily basis. Now you start counting your profits. These are money that gets into the farm on a daily basis. The eggs they lay, these are pure layers, and they are our finances in the compound. They are the ones sustaining the farm. Without them, we're gonna go broke because we can't afford buying our feeds on a daily basis. It means we'll be going back to our pockets on a daily basis. And with the layers in your farm, you'll get daily coin, and from that you can be able to buy feeds without any struggle. So if you're a poultry farmer, consider doing this. Make sure you have layers that will help you run the farm. Buy feeds, buy medication on a daily basis, and you will feel it. You will enjoy doing poultry farming each and every day. You wake up in the morning a strong person, you feed your birds, you clean the coops, you provide a healthy environment for them to survive in. So let them enjoy. After this, we are coming back again to collect eggs. After this, we are coming back. You feed them, they give you egg in return. They don't just eat for others, they give you eggs. See them enjoying. Let them enjoy. You see, if you want to know your bird is a layer, even when they're just walking out, this is how you can detect, guys. You see, when you touch, let me touch this one and you will see the behavior. They will just bend down. They're just loyal. They think you are a cock. They just bend. See this one? They just bend. Those are layers. That is their behavior. They don't want me to touch them. So let's give them time to enjoy their feeds and come back with more trays to collect the eggs. And if you can see over there, we have some layers outside where we'll be bringing them into the cage. Over there we have cage. We wanted to do things differently. If you're a farmer, just make sure you do things that give you a profit, that helps you be at ease. If it is this deep litter system, go for it. If it is a cage, go for it. I'm doing both so that I can weigh which one is the best for my layers. Is it a cage where they give me easy time to feed them? Even if you want to give them medication, you put that medicine into that the drinker you are seeing there, then it runs through the pipe and they drink that water. Everyone access it equally. So if it is deep litter, go for that. If it is the cage, layers cage, go for us. That it's you to decide which one you are okay with. So for those who are watching this video for the first time, guys, I just want to show you how to make a clean money in Kenya. Making a clean money, a genuine money in Kenya is not easy, guys. And if you dedicate, hard work and the dedication pays. This is how we do it and make a huge profit from our poultry farm. So if you're new in this video, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, like the video and share. The moment you share, you're gonna help a struggling sister, struggling farmer, somewhere who has enough capital or even a small capital to start a business and they don't have that business idea. You might be really willing or longing to start a business and maybe you don't have that business idea in your mind. You don't know what to do with that money. Try poultry farming. Try poultry farming. You're gonna make a good money out of it, a genuine money, and it all come after hard work. It's not simple. It's not a one-night thing. Dedication. For layers, these ones are my layers. You will dedicate for 6 months for them to start laying. That is between 18 to 20 weeks. They will start laying. They will start laying. It means that one will be spending. If you don't have enough capital, go for broilers. Start with broilers where you raise them for 3 months, you take them to the market, you count your profit, you go back again, you increase the number, you make money, and if you do that 4 times, you'll have enough capital to raise your layers now in your farm. And if you can feel these, they are very heavy. They have just a reasonable weight. See this one, the way they are behaving. It means this is a layer. They are behaving like layers. Hey, the weight is just good. We need eggs every day. Eggs every day. They are our sustainers who sustain the farm. So you can check me out at the comment section. We help each other. I share each and everything I'm doing on the ground. I always share in black and white. And this is where you will get first-hand information, what is happening on the ground. So if you start small, you know, we'll know how to deal with the challenges that comes up on a daily basis when it comes to control of spread of diseases and infection in your farm. Thank you so much for watching my video. For the returning subscribers, I do appreciate. I don't take it for granted. And to my new viewers, if you're viewing this video for the first time, subscribe, like and share. If you have any question about poultry farming, just share at the comment section. I will assist you. If you want to start and you don't know how to start it, again, share at the comment section. I do brooding at the same time, and I release at 1 month old, where they are fully vaccinated at 1 month old. If you come into my farm, you are a beginner, you want to start with broilers, don't start with the day old because they are very risky to start with if you don't have any basic knowledge when it comes to poultry farming. Start with 3 weeks old or 1 month old, you're good to go. Fully vaccinated, available in my farm. Kindly share if you need some and you are around Migori or in Kenya. You can just come. Wherever you're coming from, you're welcome. Come and pick fully vaccinated chickens or chicks at 1 month old at affordable price. Thank you so much and have a blessed evening. See you in our next episode, where we'll be sharing the daily progress of the farm each and every day. This is where they sleep. A nice chicken coop, well ventilated. Some are already in, well ventilated, you can see. Spacious, enough for everyone. During rainy season, we just close this one this way. We cover it for the cold. And when it is hot, we just drop it. Yeah. Thank you, bye bye guys, and see you in our next episode if you don't mind. Without further ado, I'm gonna end my video there and have a blessed evening Kenyan time. It is 6:30 p.m. Share where you are watching us from. We are grateful.